Did you know there's a reggae song that secretly tells the story of a real Rastafarian gathering, where everything was peaceful until the soldiers came? Today, we're diving deep into Bearded Man Feast, decoding every lyric to reveal the hidden history most listeners never knew. Let's unlock the meaning behind this mysterious feast. Introduction. Max Romeo's Bearded Man Feast sounds like a simple story, until you really listen. This song paints a vivid picture of a Rasta gathering filled with meditation, chanting, unity, and yes, herb used as a spiritual sacrament. Let's break down the lyrics line by line and reveal what they actually mean. Line by line breakdown. Lyric, it was St. Thomas in the East. St. Thomas, in the eastern end of Jamaica, is one of the earliest strongholds of Rastafarian culture. From the 1930s onward, Rastas gathered there for reasoning sessions, spiritual celebrations, and community feasts. So right away, the song places us in a real cultural hotspot. Lyric, where some bearded men keep a big feast. In Jamaica, bearded men was a common way to describe early Rastas, known for their long beards and dreadlocks. The big feast refers to a communal gathering, singing, chanting, drumming, sharing food, and most importantly, spiritual unity. Lyric, 3 bags of weed. This confirms it. These aren't just bearded men. This is a Rasta celebration. For Rastafari, ganja isn't recreational. It's sacramental, used for meditation, grounding, and connecting with the divine. 3 bags represents abundance for the whole community, not personal use. Lyric, they never run when policemen come. Historically, Rastas and the police often clashed, especially over ganja. But in this story, the Rastas stay calm. They aren't afraid of the police. They know their gathering is peaceful. This line reflects Rastas' confidence and inner peace. Lyric, but they had to run when soldier man come. And here, where everything changes. When soldiers came, things were serious. In Jamaica's past, the military was sometimes used to break up Rasta gatherings, especially those involving large amounts of herb. This line captures that moment of tension, when a peaceful gathering is suddenly threatened. Lyric, and none of them had time to taste the food. This shows how quickly the feast was disrupted. The Rastas weren't preparing for trouble. They were celebrating, chanting, sharing a spiritual moment. The arrival of soldiers forces them to scatter before the feast even begins. Lyric, when them hear baton stick a talk. A baton stick talking means batons hitting shields or striking the ground. It's the universal sign of force approaching. This symbol appears across Jamaican music whenever state aggression is being described. What the song really means. When we put all these lines together, the picture becomes clear. This is a coded story about a real type of Rasta gathering, peaceful, spiritual, rooted in tradition, that was suddenly threatened by state power. The herb, the chanting, the feasting, these weren't parties, they were sacred rituals. Message: Bearded Man Feast isn't just a catchy tune. It's a window into a chapter of Jamaican history, one where Rastafarians had to fight for the right to practice their faith in peace. Max Romeo captured that moment with honesty, symbolism, and a bit of humor. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more hidden meanings behind reggae classics, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which song you want decoded next. And remember, behind every reggae song, there's a story waiting to be told.